Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the Canvas Mockup in Photoshop. First, you want to have the Layers panel open. So if you don't see the Layers panel, go to Window, Layers to bring it up. To insert your design, you just want to double click on the thumbnail icon in the Canvas layer. So this layer that says Design hyphen. And then once we double click on that thumbnail icon, it'll open up the Smart Object where we can copy and paste the design. So now we'll find the design by going to File, Open. And then we'll go to Select All and Edit, Copy. And just click back on the Smart Object tab and go to Edit, Paste. If you want to zoom out, you can press Command- on a Mac or Control- on a PC. And you might want to size your artwork down or up a little bit. To do that, go to Edit, Free Transform. And newer versions of Photoshop, you just want to click on the corner and drag it in to size it down or out to size it up. In older versions of Photoshop, in order to keep it proportional, you wanted to hold down the Shift key so it didn't get distorted. But Adobe changed that. In newer versions, it'll get distorted if you do hold down the Shift key, and it'll stay proportional if you don't. So if you see it getting distorted as you click and drag, you just want to go to Edit, Undo, and then try that again, doing the opposite of whatever you just did, whether that's holding down the Shift key or not holding it down. And then when you're good with that, go to File, Save, to save it. And then you just want to close the Smart Object, so we'll click the little X to close the Smart Object, and then we'll close this design too. And you'll see it added it to the canvas just that easily. And then to pick a background, you want to click this little box next to the layer that says Backgrounds, and that'll turn the layer group on. And then if you click this little arrow, it'll expand the layer group and you'll see the 6 background layers. You can just click the eye icons next to them to toggle through them. And then when you find the one you want to use, you can just save it. To do that, just go to File, Save As. If you want to use it as a thumbnail on a site like Etsy or other sites, then you'll probably want to save a JPEG file. You can also choose to save a copy as a Photoshop file if you want a version with the layers still, maybe renaming it so that you can have a Photoshop file for each design. Please let me know if you have any questions by messaging me at melissabmockups.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. This mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you and have a great evening.